Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the no internet access issue when using an Ethernet connection on a Windows computer. Whether you're experiencing limited connectivity or no connection at all, these steps will help you get back online. The no internet access error can happen for various reasons like driver issues, misconfigured network settings, or hardware problems. Let's go through a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Check your physical connections. Ensure that your Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both your computer and the router or modem. If possible, try using a different Ethernet cable to rule out cable issues. Also, test a different Ethernet port on your router. In most cases, simply rebooting your router should fix the problem. Before diving deeper, let's try running the built-in Windows troubleshooter, which can automatically detect and fix network issues. Click the Start menu and go to Settings. Navigate to System, Troubleshoot, and then Other Troubleshooters. Click the Run button next to Network and Internet and follow the on-screen prompts to run the troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will analyze your Ethernet connection and suggest fixes or apply them automatically. The solution is applied. Test your connection again. Here it is telling me there is a problem with my DHCP. This means my computer is not picking up an IP address. The troubleshooter also gives you recommendations on how to fix your problem. Disabling and re-enabling the Ethernet adapter is a reliable method to resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. Open the Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click your Ethernet adapter and disable and then re-enable it. Also, right-click your Ethernet adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find the latest version. If updating doesn't work, uninstall the driver and restart your computer. Windows will reinstall the correct driver automatically. Another potential cause of limited connectivity is having the Ethernet connection set as metered. Let's turn it off. When an Ethernet connection is set as metered, Windows may limit network usage, which can affect connectivity for some apps or system processes. Turning it off often resolves these issues. Also, check your DNS settings. Windows typically uses the DNS server provided by your ISP by default. However, issues with this DNS server can sometimes lead to slow or no internet connectivity. To resolve this, you can switch to a more reliable DNS server such as Cloudflare or Google DNS. Right-click your Ethernet connection and then click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Manually set the DNS to Google's public DNS. After changing the DNS, you should flush the DNS cache. If none of the solutions don't resolve the no internet access error, consider resetting your network settings. This will restore all network configurations on your PC to their default state, potentially resolving the issue. Now, let me show you how to troubleshoot and fix the no internet access issue using only the command line. These commands are simple and effective for diagnosing and resolving networky issues. The first step is to check if you have any connectivity at all. Run the following commands. This checks connectivity to Google's public DNS server. If you see replies, your Ethernet connection is working but may have DNS or configuration issues. If you see timeouts, continue troubleshooting. Run this command to show the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway for your network adapter. If the command gives you the IP address, subnet mask, and a default gateway, try to ping the default gateway, which is the IP address of the router. If there are replies, it means there is connectivity between your computer and your router. If your computer is on DHCP and IP address is not manually set and you do not get any results from this command, it means there is no connectivity between your router and PC, or the DHCP is not working. Reboot the router or check your cables. Also run these two commands to force your computer to request a new IP address from the router, resolving issues related to IP conflicts. To verify that your network adapter is enabled, use this command to check all network interfaces. Reset your network configuration. Run the following commands in order. The first command resets your IP stack, and the second resets the WinSock catalog, which manages network requests. After running these commands, restart your computer. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no internet access issue on your Ethernet connection. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.